The Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Act 2020, Chapter 3, Dispute Resolution. Every farming agreement shall explicitly provide for a conciliation process and formation of a conciliation board consisting of representatives of parties to the agreement, provided the representation of parties in such conciliation board shall be fair and balanced. A dispute arising from any farming agreement shall be first referred to the conciliation board formed as per the provisions of the farming agreement, and every endeavor shall be made by such board to bring about settlement of such dispute. Wherein respect of any dispute, a settlement is arrived during the course of conciliation proceeding, a memorandum of settlement shall be drawn accordingly and signed by the parties to such dispute, and such settlements shall be binding on the parties. Where the farming agreement does not provide for conciliation process as settle their disputes under section within a period of 30 days, then any such parties may approach the concerned subdivisional magistrate, who shall be subdivisional authority for deciding the dispute under farming agreements. On receipt of a dispute under subsection 1, the subdivisional authority may the farming agreement did not provide for conciliation process constitute a conciliation board for bringing about settlement of such disputes, or the parties failed to settle their dispute through conciliation process, decide the dispute in a summary manner within 30 days from the date of receipt of such dispute, after giving the parties a reasonable opportunity of being heard, and pass in order for recovery of the amount under dispute with such penalty and interest as it deems fit, subject to the following conditions, namely: where the sponsor fails to make payment of the amount due to the farmer, such penalty may extend to 1.5 times the amount due. Where the order is against the farmer for recovery of the amount due to the sponsor on account of an advance payment or cost of input as per terms of farming agreement, amount shall not exceed the actual cost incurred by the sponsor. Where the farming agreement dispute is in contravention of the provision of this act, or default by the farmer is due to force majeure, then no order of recovery of amount shall be passed against the farmer. Every order passed by the subdivisional authority under this section shall have same force as decree of a civil court, and be enforceable in same manner as that of decree under the Code of Civil Procedure 1908, unless an appeal is preferred under subsection 4. Any party aggrieved by the order of subdivisional authority may prefer an appeal to the appellate authority, which shall be presided over by the collector or additional collector nominated by the collector within 30 days from the date of such order. The appellate authority shall dispose of the appeal within 30 days. Every order passed by the appellate authority under this section shall have the same force as a decree of a civil court, and be enforceable in the same manner as that of a decree under the Code of Civil Procedures 1908. The amount of payable under any order passed the subdivisional authority or the appellate authority, as the case may be recovered as arrears of land revenue. The subdivisional authority or the appellate authority shall, while deciding disputes under this section, have all the powers of a civil court for the purpose of taking evidence on oath, enforcing the attendance of witness, compelling the discovery and production of documents and material objects, and for such other purposes as may be prescribed by the central government. The manner and procedure for filing a petition or a application before the subdivisional authority and an appeal before the appellate authority shall be such as may be prescribed by the central government. Notwithstanding anything contained in section 14, no action for recovery of any amount due in pursuance of an order passed under that section shall be initiated against the agricultural land of the farmer.